Have you ever got to your location where you wanted to do a shoot and you realised that you didn't charge your cameras overnight and they're about to go flat? Well then, in today's video I have a solution for you. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Colin here from Colin, and today we're going to be talking about the PYGTECH Cap Lock MantisPod Power. That wonderful cap lock system from PYGTECH have now brought us out the Mantis Power, which is a chargeable selfie stick. The MantisPod Power is a great accessory to have for any vlogger, and because it has the cap lock system on it, it is so easy to swap it over and put it onto different mounts when needed. It also has that dual locking design as well, so you know that your camera is not going to fall off once it is locked in place. In the MantisPod, it has a 5000 milliamp battery in it, so you can charge your action camera up to 2.5 times before having to recharge the MantisPod Power itself. Now let's run through some of the other specs of the PYGTECH MantisPod Power. As you can see, it has a USB-C cord that goes into your action cameras for charging, and it also has this little nook that you can put it into that will keep it stored away so it's not going to be knocked around in your bag. Now it has a wonderful design of the ball head. Now the ball head is a 360-degree ball head, and it can also go into vertical shooting mode as well. Now it is simply just a twist of this little knob here to start adjusting the ball head, and even getting it into vertical mode as well. Now when you tighten that back up, it is on there tight and it's not going to move. It is so secure that you can bump it around and it's going to stay in the place that you have set it. So I absolutely love that from PYGTECH. It charges by USB-C as well, and it has indicator lights on how much charge is left. You can get the MantisPod Pro in the Insta360 edition or the GoPro edition. Now the Insta360 edition, it supports the Insta360 Ace Pro, Go 3, X3, 1RS Twin Edition, the 1RS 1-inch 360 Edition, X2 and 1R. It is also compatible with iPhones and Android phones with USB-C type ports. It does not support fully the Insta360 X4, but when we get a new firmware update for the X4, I'm sure it will support it then. If you have found this video helpful at the end, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Now the other key feature of the MantisPod Pro, it has a Bluetooth remote. You can simply connect your Insta360 cameras to the Bluetooth remote through the settings. And with that, you can turn off the camera, you can switch modes, and you can stop and start the shutter. You can possibly get up to 10 meters away from your camera and still be able to control it. Because of the cap lock system, you will get the action mount and the 3/4 inch mount as well. Now the wonderful little Bluetooth remote control sits in the handle of the MantisPod, and it sits in there really well. It snaps in by magnets and it is secure. As we know with some other accessories, when we have these little remotes, that they don't sit well in the housing of the device, but this fits in nice and snug and it snaps into place. Now it charges by USB-C as well, and it will only take an hour to charge, and it will last up to 25 hours of use. Now because it is the wonderful MantisPod, you can use it in so many different ways. You can use it in the Mantis mode, simply just opening up and lifting up that little plate from behind, set it up on a wall or an edge, and you'll have 3 points of contact for a stable shot. It is also great as a selfie stick, where it feels absolutely comfortable in your hands to be able to stop and start recording as well, because everything is at the touch of your thumb right there, and it's in that natural vlogging position. And you can also flip it upside down and use it in the briefcase mode as well to get those low to the ground shots that we all love. And because it is a MantisPod, it is a very sturdy tripod where you can just mount it where you need to. If you would like to pick up a PYGTECH MantisPod Power, there will be a link below where you can do so. It is an affiliated link and I do get a kickback from it, so thank you very much. Everything else I use, I'll leave links below as well. And until next time guys, I'm Colin from Colin, out.